sila, nag-release na sila. So kids,
wala, nakikipaglaro, hindi mo makikita.
na tayo. But before we start to eat, let us all stand up or in our kids' places. Ayan. And may I please call you in front, Ma'am Chanela.
Juno! Juno! Kuya Juno, stand up, magpipray kayo.
Wala po ng kakain. Wala po ng kakain. Kids, remain sit na lang. Sit down na lang kayo, kids. Para ano? Kapit na. Okay, sit down muna, kids. Sige. And then, let us pray for our first prayer. Ayan, hands together, kids. Hands together. And let's bow down our heads.
Okay.